Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today, we have the 2021 Mazda 3 Carbon Edition. This one is fitted with the turbocharged 2.5 liter. It has the all-wheel drive system. Whoever put this here should have put it there. Oh, it doesn't fit. I see. Take everything back. Polymetal gray metallic over red. Total price of $34,960, and this one's pretty much as fully loaded as you can get. This one, of course, is the hatchback model. I like it a lot. Just driving it over here, tons of torque, 227 horsepower, 310 pound-feet of torque, which kind of makes this like a Speed 3? They're not going to make a Speed 3, but this is as close as you can get. This one has the sunroof, of course. Beautiful materials inside. Be in sport mode. Now, license plate blocks that, so can't see the backup camera, but I can tell you by the front camera it is excellent quality. I'll go around. This one here is fitted with the 6-speed automatic. Matter of fact, I think every single 2.5 turbo is mated to the 6-speed. Not sure if you can get the Mazda 3 in a manual anymore. I knew you could, but I know we don't have any on our lots, so I can't tell you for sure if you can or not. Gonna have to keep that window down just because I can't see with that window sticker where it's at. Wind noise shouldn't be too bad at parking lot speeds. I'm just worried about it once we get on the road. I should have went. I didn't think they were going that slow. Everything in here, soft touch materials. Thank you, Mazda. And it doesn't creak at all. This is nice leather where you rest your knee all the time. I cannot complain. You do have paddles behind the steering wheel too. Like I said, this is your Mazda Speed 3 now. Not gonna make an actual Speed 3. Come on, this is really starting to get on my nerves. I mean, you can tell the torque is just always there. do that. Seriously? Over the bumps. Of course, this is a sportier sedan, but it's not unbearable either. You know, the reason Mazda probably doesn't want to call this the Speed 3 is because they don't want to develop a manual for this engine. Because only Mazda I know of with a manual right now, maybe the Mazda3 with the NA25 and the Miata. Those don't make a lot of torque or power. So I don't know if the manual just can't handle the torque that this 2.5 turbo puts down. 310 pound-feet is a lot of torque. And I don't know if the clutch can handle all that torque going to the flywheel. That's my reasoning why they're not calling it a Speed 3. Because if they make a Speed 3, everybody's going to be upset that it's automatic only, and to develop a manual for a relatively low production vehicle just doesn't make financial sense. However, they did throw the turbo in the 3, making it essentially the same as a Speed 3. Sensation of torque is insane in this thing. And I'm pretty sure it's boost by gear, because once it hits third, this thing is a rocket ship. All in all, man, Mazda 3 is one of, if not the best, compact car on sale today. It's just such a fun car to drive, especially in the turbocharged trim. The inside materials are absolutely amazing. And it's just an absolute blast. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.